So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Power share. So we know that today the stock has performed very well and it is currently trading near the 114 rupees region with almost 5% positive movement. So we know that previously when you have discussed near the 103 rupees level, so clearly I discussed what are the next immediate resistances followed by how the stock can react in the coming session. So today, after a very good volume which has been generated in the morning session, the stock has sustained all the levels that we have discussed in our previous sessions. So since it is near the next resistive region of 115 rupees level, so will it cross that or will it sustain in that particular region? So we'll try to discuss that, and similarly we'll see what are the next immediate supports as well as targets in the coming sessions as well. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group if you have not done that, because in Telegram group we are discussing all the stocks whenever they are approaching any resistive region or when they are achieving the targets. I am immediately updating, so do join. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so coming to Tata Power, we know that earlier itself the stock has got many positive updates. So we know recently also it has received an order which is worth around 686 crore from the NTPC. So this is well known to all of us. So after this positive news present, also the stock was roughly trading in that particular range itself. So today most of the stocks, we know huge volume spike was seen. So many power segment stocks also are trying to perform very well. So one of the stocks which I've discussed in the last video was Adani Power. So both Adani Power as well as Tata Power are performing very well, and there the technicals are also looking very bullish. So especially Tata Power, when I take you to the technical charts and when I show you the bullish confirmation, so clearly you will understand the essence of technicals. So clearly watch the technicals because those are going to be very important. Okay, so when we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Tata Power, so you can see on Friday the stock has given almost minus 0.5% correction, and with almost 18.2% deliveries, it has closed near the 108 rupees region. So clearly you can see the last two trading sessions itself, the stock was in little consolidation phase. That is 2 days movement is completely balanced and it has become in a neutral region. So today, after the completing the consolidation region and after the crossover which has been generated on technical charts, had made the stock look bullish. So quickly let's go to technical charts and I'll show you what is the crossover that has happened and what is the near-term resistance. Okay, so we're back on to the 1 week chart. So as I tell, first you need to analyze on a larger time frame. So that is, it may be weekly or monthly. So I may suggest you weekly time frame. So once you analyze on weekly time frame, so then only switch to smaller time frames like 1 day chart whenever you're doing any sort of swing or positional trade. For long term, definitely you need to watch the weekly time frame so that you'll get some clarity that what is the trend of the stock. So once you see the 1 week chart clearly, you can see this was the major resistance. What is that particular level? 113 rupees level. So whenever it has approached that particular region, so you can see almost 3 times, you can see 3 times it has got rejected from that particular region, and earlier also it has tried to approach that, but again reversal was seen. But today we can see that it has moved about that particular level, especially 113 rupees region. So currently it is trading near the 114 plus rupees region and time is around 12:43. So if it closes today above this particular region, whatever I'm talking about, so then definitely the stock will be bullish and 120 plus can be seen very soon in short term. So why? Because it is a strong resistance. So once any stock breaks any strong resistance, so obviously a huge volume spike would be present and ultimately the stock will start its new rally. So this is one confirmation. So what is the second confirmation that the stock is going to bullish region? So clearly you can see a crossover has been generated. So clearly you can see if the 50-day exponential moving average is crossing the 200-day exponential moving average, which is a golden crossover. So whenever this happens, we know a bullish momentum would be seen in any stock and it starts a new journey. So that is what my technical analysis is suggesting. And after that, if we see the money flow index is only near 53 in weekly time frame. So it has not even entered the overbought region region, which is again signifying that in the coming sessions, the stock may also show some very good positive uptrend. So coming to volume, so since it is the first day of the week, so this complete week, if good volume would be generated, then definitely it will reach to its new all-time highs. So these are the 3 points that I wanted to discuss on weekly time frame. So let's quickly go to one day chart also. There we'll try to see what are the next supports as well as resistances. Okay, so when we go to one day chart, so there you can see the stock today has formed a big green candle, so that is clearly visible, and you can see it has crossed above the resistance level of 112 rupees level. So after that immediate we have 115 rupees region, so that is going to be very crucial. So once it breaks that also, as I told, 120 plus can be seen in it. As we discussed on weekly time frame, since it is a strong resistive region, so closing above that particular level would be very important. So you need to watch that very cleverly, and then only you need to trade. So once you follow the technicals exactly, definitely you will be entering into profit region, whether you're doing options or whether you're doing in equity also, these strategies would be benefited. Okay, and coming to money flow index in daily time frame, so that is also near 53, and today surprisingly the volumes have also increased in most of the stocks. Okay, so follow the technicals very well. Since I told it is in the resistive region, you need to focus that particular region very well. And coming to supports, already I told you, if you're interested 1110 in that particular region, if it shows retracement, you can go for buying for only for long term. Okay, so not for swing trade, for long term you can go for buying. Okay, so these are the levels, and further if you're having any doubts regarding Tata Power or any other share, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me within Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.